Okay, on the 2000 GMC Sierra, 5.3 liter, should be similar from 2000 to 2006 or those kind of models. ECMB fuse is right here, the 20 amp. If it continually busts and you can't get your computer to connect or read the codes, then more than likely it's your fuel pump. What you do to test that is you come up under here, and that connector right there, you'll reach over and pull this out off the fuel pump itself. You can reach over right here and get it pretty easy. Then you'll come back once again, just to show you again, you'll put a 20 amp fuse right in there, a new one, and you'll turn the key to the on position. If it doesn't bust, that means that you have a bad fuel pump. If it does bust, then check the wiring around the fuel pump. So yeah, if you're having that issue, that's what that is. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you.